What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video. Okay, y'all, so in today's video we're gonna be working with Arabella here. Y'all, I haven't worked with this company in so long. Back then, Arabella really used to send me some fire hair, and I can honestly say their hair is still fire. Y'all, I've been dying to get my hand on this type of wig, and I finally got it, and thank God it came from Arabella because they did not disappoint. The hair feels good. It can definitely hold the curl, baby. Definitely hold the curl. I had to throw some layers in there. As always, you guys know I'm a layer girl. But yeah, I was sent, I believe, a 24-inch 13 by, this got to be 13 by 6, so this part is deep. I feel like this is a 13 by 6, so like this part is really fake deep. If not, all the correct details will be down below. I believe I was sent a 22-inch 13 by 6 frontal wig, platinum blonde highlights. And y'all, like I said, I've been feeling to get my hand on this type of wig, and I finally got it. And y'all, I could say Arabella did not disappoint. If you guys hear something in the background, it's my AC on. But y'all, let me tell y'all about this hair. Look at the curls. Like, this hair is fire, y'all. I'm so happy I finally got my hand on this wig. The wig is giving, honey. I had to throw some curls in this. You cannot do this hair straight. Like, I just feel like this hair needed some type. First of all, when I received the hair came already pre-curled, y'all. I wish I didn't have to bleach it, but y'all, the hair came already pre-curled. Like, the curl literally looked just like this. I wouldn't even have to do anything. So if you guys order this wig, it's gonna come already curled. If you don't know how to curl, it's gonna already come curled, so you won't have to do much but install. But y'all, like I said, I love this wig. I would highly recommend this wig. All the hair details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On road to 60K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And if you're interested in the same exact wig, the link will be down below. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.